In this video, you will learn how to add www to your domain name on Godaddy. Follow these simple steps. Log into your Godaddy account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the profile icon in the upper right hand corner, then select My Products. Under Domains, find your domain here that you want to edit. Click on the DNS or Manage DNS next to the domain you want to edit. This will take you to your DNS settings for your domain. In the DNS management page under Records, look for an option to add a new record. If it doesn't exist yet, you'll need to create one. Click Add and choose the record name. In the host field, enter www. This will ensure that the www version of your domain is directly to the correct place. In the point to field, enter your domain name with the www. The TTL, time to live field, will be just to the left as default, usually in 1 hour. It should look something like this. Host, www. Point to, yoursitename.com. TTL, 1 hour or default setting. Click Save to apply the changes to your DNS settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.